I again? All right, here's the next book in our Piggy and Elephant series. You can see it has a medal. This is not the Caldecott Award. This is the Theodore Seuss Geisel Award, and it is given to books that kids can actually read. So it's an award for great books that kids can read by themselves. So it did win a gold medal for that. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. And this was written in 2007 too, so it was one of the first ones. There is a bird on your head. Elephant doesn't look happy. No words. It came from there. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. You guys make sure you look at their expressions and notice how Mo Willems does it with their eyes also. What are two birds doing on my head? Oh, they're in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Look at Piggy. I am afraid to ask. Dot, dot, dot. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching. The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. I have 3 baby chicks on my head? And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Oh my. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. ... Oh no, it's a circle story. It starts all over. And there's the end papers. All right, what do you think? Have you changed your mind? Do you still think you know who's going to be president? All right, one more to go.